Hey, how's it going? My name's Melinda and I'm gonna put my makeup on with the What's the Tea palette. I've had this palette for like a year now and I love it. It's by the Balm. I'm gonna use their primer today. The priming is everything.
With this, I'm just gonna use my finger and put a little bit on. And I've already put a little bit of primer on before I started this video.
The Kiss and Tell, that color. And the really light pink one, I'm gonna start with that one just on the lid. And then this second color that I'm kind of putting like right here in this area, like your crease, but I'm kind of just like spreading it out. I'm using the 411 right there.
On the lid, I used to use the He Said, She Said, but I ran out of it.
Okay, with the rundown. It's like a dark purple. And I'm gonna use like this kind of brush. And I'm gonna put it like right in my crease. And sometimes I like stretch out my eye because it's just like really get it in the crease. I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna use like, I think it's called a smudge brush. The latest Scoop. This color right here. All right. And I'm gonna put it just like in the corner of my eyes. And I stretch out my eye again, probably not doing it right, but that's, I don't know, that's how I get it on there. Oh, nice. Would go like 50 or 80 down the highway. And yeah, nothing's wrong with my car. I just had to go wash it. So, ink eyeliner. This is a oil-free based eyeliner. Any of the NYX or NYX, those are oil-free based eyeliners. So you ladies out there with eyelash extensions, this is safe to use. So to put on my eyeliner, I stretch out my eye again, and yep. The Mad Lash Black Mascara by the Balm.
Much of it. You know, you want enough. And then like,
Alright, so for the glue, tweezers. I really like these ones a lot. They're just thin, or so like pointy. They are by Tarte, the tartiest. And they are the heartbreaker ones. And I already trimmed them. I'm gonna have to do another video and show you how to trim them. Because some eyelashes I trim and some I don't have to. Like the Goddess ones, I didn't have to trim those ones, but these ones that were a little long, so I had to trim them. But anyways, the glue I'm actually using their glue, the tartiest one. They have a black glue too. I haven't tried that one, but we're gonna try the clear one today. And always get the one with the brush. Don't get the one that squirts out, because this is already tedious enough. So yeah, you're always gonna want to get the one with the brush. Anyways, to get the glue on, just gonna go like this. I'm interested to see how this video comes out. It's like my first one, really. Oh. I guess you want to start in the middle, is what some girls will say. I just put it on. Okay. But not on your lashes. Like, you're not gluing them on your lashes. I'm gluing them on my lash line, right above my lashes. Okay. And you'll get. Okay. Here we go again. And I mean, like, you see how I've, like, messed with it maybe, what, 6 or 7 times since I've put the glue on, actually put them on my eyelashes. Like, I've lifted it and messed with it. So, I mean, don't be afraid. Like, you're not gonna get them, like, perfect right on. You know, you're gonna have to, like, mess with it for a minute. But then once they're on, they're on all day, like, all day long. You know, unless you're crying. Okay. Those are obviously not my eyelashes. They're not very natural today. They're pretty fake, but you know, that's okay. That's kind of what I'm going for. So, now I'm going to use the Tarte Creseless Concealer. This stuff works really, really good. And I'm going to be using the Fair Light Neutral colors. And I'm almost out of it, but a little bit goes a long way. But I've kind of been using this stuff for like my my foundation too, because I've just been lazy about it lately. Well, because I have to wear a mask on my face is why, when I work all day long. Oh yeah, the wing, I was gonna... These, you know, sometimes I'll spend a couple extra dollars on some nice Q-tips, because I figure I'm gonna be using these bitches every day, so... It just kind of makes makeup fun. Alright. Yeah, I haven't really been wearing foundation. Just... And this is the Tarte blush. What color is this? Seduce. Tarte. Brush. And my Mary Lou luminizer. And with the highlighter, you're just gonna wanna go like this, and then whatever is left over, then you're gonna wanna move it right there. And that is actually the correct way. I know that that's the correct way. I saw it on the Balm's website. And then like you can of course, you know, put it on your nose. Oh, and then some, actually. This is how I do my wing. I just kind of cheat on this. Oh, yeah, I literally just drew it on. All right. So. Get a close up. All right. Well, I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. Go ahead and like it and keep subscribing. Thank you. Keep watching.